Chickpeas are so wonderful. There's so many things you can do with them. You can even replicate tuna salad. Hey guys, I'm Shantae from naturalveganmama.com, where we're all about showing you how easy this vegan lifestyle can be. Today I'm going to show you really quick how I make my delicious and nutritious chickpea salad. You'll need 1 can of rinsed and drained chickpeas, half of a cucumber and 2 celery stalks, half of a medium-sized red onion, a tablespoon and a half of sweet relish, 2 big tablespoons of vegan mayo, the juice of 1 deliciously ripe lemon, a tablespoon of mustard seed, 2 tablespoons of parsley, 4 turns of a pink Himalayan sea salt grinder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. So what you're going to do now is put all of your ingredients, except for the vegan mayo and except for the sweet relish, into your food processor. You're going to pulse it for about 5 to 6 seconds. This goes by really quick, guys. So now it's combined and I'm ready to add my vegan mayo and my sweet relish. Give it a few turns until all of the vegan mayo and the sweet relish is combined nicely into your mixture. Now your chickpea salad is good to go. It's so delicious. You can have this on a salad. You can toast up some bread and spread it on that bread. You can do a tuna melt or an untuna melt. Put some vegan cheese on there and slice that bread in half. It's so delicious. I'm so happy to share this recipe with you guys. Let me know what you think and let me know if you have a favorite vegan tuna recipe that you want to share below.